Hello viewers, this is the construction patterner. Today I want to take you in making layers in AutoCAD. Hope everyone is okay. So this is the work that I have here today. By the end of this video, I want you to wake up and find that you can draw this. You can draw a nice window like that, with a nice window with 3 sashes, and you can give it a layer, and then you can come out with a fill like that, and then you can also vary your elevations. Thank you. So I'm going to delete this so that we do it again. Thank you. I'll right click, highlight that, and then go to my keyboard and press delete. I've deleted that. I'll also right click, highlight that, zoom out, that I highlighted well, and then delete that one. So then I'll do AutoCAD settings, zoom, press OK, press enter again, then press escape, then scale. I'm using a scale of 0.001. So scale, escape, again scale, type in 0.001. That is a scale of 1 to 1,000. So then we can begin to draw now. I hope here you're ready. You have done the setup already, so you're good to draw. Escape. In case you want the image that we are going to draw with dimensions, you'll get it from the link below. The link below will be there at the end of the video. So what we shall do, shall click line tool, you press F8 so that it is straight, then we type in 10500. Oh, that's not the line that I want. Press escape, come line F8. We are drawing a line of 10500. So that is our line. That is our line, but I'm not sure if it is correct. Let us first try escape it again. Ctrl Z, line, move it 10500. Okay, so that is our line. So then we need to go down, press F8 still, so that it is straight. It is in oil. When you press F8, then it means your line is drawing in ortho mode. So then down we need a line of 4950. Just type in and then press enter. Good. So still this line, the upper line, the same as the lower line. Our upper line was 10500. You see, we shall type the same. Then it automatically autofills, but then to be so more perfect, you type in your dimensions 4950. You press OK. So there we are good. You press escape. So then after, then we need offset. We need offset the size of the wall. So the size of the wall, it is 150. So we shall type in offset on your keyboard. Offset comes, then you click offset, then you type in 150. You press enter. So then we are offsetting this one inside. We are also offsetting this line also inside. Offsetting this line inside, offsetting that line inside. So then later on I would refer you to trim first so that you see what we have drawn, but then we shall trim later. So what we need to do, our drawing tells us that from the wall we need the 3 partitions. We need the first partition of the 3.2 meters, another partition of 3.5 meters, another partition of 3.2 meters. So we shall come here in our first line, we offset it by, you delete the number that is there, which was 150, then you put in our dimension of 3.2 meters. It has offsetted 3.2 meters. So then our offset is still there, offset of 1.5. So then we shall still come in our first line that we drew first. This we delete the value that is there, then we offset it by 3.5 meters. 3.5 meters is there, so then we shall still offset this wall, offset that wall by 150. So here I recommend you to trim. So when you trim, you see that your drawing is coming out well and it comes out nice. So what we need to trim, you come here in your trim command, click it, we are trimming this and this, in that we are making a boundary wall. We are making walls to come out so perfect in that it looks like a house. We trim this, trim that, trim that. If you have a challenge in trimming, you can do it in the comment section. Then we shall see it. You trim, you make sure that you zoom well in that you see what you're trimming. Trim, 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 and then you also zoom and trim if you have a problem in zooming. And if you're using a touchpad, I will recommend you to buy a wireless mouse or a wired mouse, in that you can zoom out and zoom in. So after this, we see that our walls are kinda getting shapes. In short, our walls are getting shape. So here you can see this wall is alone, this wall is alone, this wall is alone. So this space and this space, they're all different. They have all been divided. So remember, I told you I'll give a link description so that you can see what we are trying to draw, and then you can have the questions there, and then you can, in short, you'll be having a model of your own, and you can see what we are drawing. So what we are going to do, we are going to draw a wall. We are going to draw a door of 900. So for this case, if you want a door comes from a line and a circle, and approximately the size of the door is always 900. That is the size. Then that is the width of it. So then the height, it refers, and it also differs to the building to the building height. If you have a building of 3 meters, it means the door will be 2.1 meters. So let us draw a door and see how it will come out. So they have told us that we need a door of 900. So it means you offset, click enter, and then 900 from the outer wall going inside. So that is 900. So when you come and see that the wall and the door, they're actually near. Yes, it is good, but in other circumstances you find it is not good. So what we are going to do, we are going to place escape, Control Z, and then we shall also come again and type offset, and we shall offset it by 1750. Offset from here 1570. So then offset this line by 900. Then we shall come and draw a circle. Remember, you're trying to draw a door, a circle of 900 to the approximately to the size of the door we want, 900. So that is 900. So we shall come and trim. Remember, we want our door, you trim this, then you also trim that, then you also trim that. You trim unnecessary things you don't want, in that you come out with a shape of a door, then you zoom, then you trim that arch, then you also come and trim this. Then we don't need these lines, you trim, then you also come and trim that. So I don't need this, I trim. So at the end of the day, you come and find yourself with a door, opening to that side. So we have a door. Then we also have a door that goes this side. You can also come and say circle, then you place it here. You need a door of 900. You type in 900. Remember, here in the circle tool, we are placing center radius because we need the radius, which is 900. If we are doing diameter, then it wouldn't be a door, it would be something else. You'll find we shall make another video that shows us how circles of radius, circles of diameter, how they go, circles of 2 points, circles of 3 points, the turn and the radius. We shall do another video. If you want it, you'll try to comment in the comment section, and then we shall have it. Please remember to subscribe to our channel. We're trying to grow. Please support your brother, in that you can also try to understand, and then you can also try to make a living. So we shall continue. Then we shall click on our trim command. It is not in. We trim this, trim that. Trim command is out. You have to make sure that you be stable with your mouth. Trim that and trim that. Then you zoom in, as I told you. You zoom in and you zoom in. If the drawing has gone up, you try escape. Then you come and look for pan. You pan it down. You place escape. You place trim again, and then you zoom in that you look at the thing that you're going to trim. So I want to trim this. I trim that. Also trim that. Also trim this, in that I'm making a door. Then trim. I trim that. Do I need to trim anything there? No. Then I'll have to come and trim this. I don't need that line. Also don't need this line. Also don't need this line. Remember to subscribe. So for today we shall stop here. Remember to subscribe, please. Then we shall add up in another video. That part 1 ends from there. Part 2 also comes up next. Then the description link, if you didn't see our video of making a title block, you'll get a link in our description link, and then you'll find it there, and then you click it, and then you'll be able to see the video that shows the title block, and also the video that shows that oblique work from the plain course to the elevation and how to make it. So thank you so much for watching.